knew it.
The National Weather Service has issued severe thunderstorm watch number 502
It'll
effective until 2
dig.
p.m. Eastern Daylight Time. This watch includes the following counties in Massachusetts: Barnstable, Bristol, Dukes, Nantucket, and Plymouth, and the following marine locations: Cape Cod Bay, Nantucket Sound, Vineyard Sound, Buzzards Bay, coastal waters east of Ipswich Bay and the Stellwagen Bank National Marine Sanctuary, Massachusetts Bay and Ipswich Bay, coastal waters from Provincetown, Massachusetts to Chatham, Massachusetts to Nantucket, Massachusetts, south 20 nautical miles, coastal waters extending out to 25 nautical miles south of Martha's Vineyard and Nantucket, and coastal waters from Montauk, New York to Martha's Vineyard extending out to